Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my February BOXYCHARM unboxing. Every time I do a video like this, I'm like, wow, I can't believe it's already February. Then it's going to be March, then it's going to be my birthday. I'm going to be 23. I'm getting old. I'm stressed. I'm going to be doing my unboxing today. Isn't like too much to do in this box, so we're just gonna move along with it. This month's box is Galaxy Glow. That is the theme of this box. If you guys don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it is a monthly subscription box that's $21 a month, and you do get 4 to 5 full-size products every month. Last month by far was my favorite box I think we've ever gotten. The Pure palette that we got in last month's box is literally my life. I have been using it every single day since we got it, and I've made a pretty good dent in this little highlighter in here. I love the blush and I love the highlight. I have yet to use the bronzer, but the highlight is bomb. So good. Definitely, I think that's the best thing I think I've ever gotten in any BOXYCHARM. So let's move on to this month. In this month's box is a little set. This is a trio brush set from Crown Pro. These retail for $29.99, so this trio is $30. So that would make each brush $10. Okay, that's a lot. First brush I would use for probably blush, or like maybe even to like, I don't set my under, I don't know what I would use this brush for. It's like too big for setting my under eyes, but it's like too fluffy for contour. Maybe like bronzer, I don't know, blush. I already have blush on, but I'll put some more on with it because that's what I think I would use this for. I'm just going to apply, oh, that actually applies blush really nicely. It kind of picks up a lot of product too. And it like fits perfectly on my apples of my cheeks. So, okay, cool. This one, it doesn't really say. Oh, it's for large powder brush, can be used to set everything in place. I wouldn't set my whole face with this. Probably, but I'm gonna use it for blush today. It does say that the medium one is to sculpt the cheekbones. This is what I would use that for. This would be for contour. This is pretty similar in shape to the contour brush I use now from Luxie. This is the Luxie 512. So they're kind of similar. This one's a little bit smaller, so I haven't contoured my face. So let's try it out. I'm using my Makeup Geek contour powder. Yeah, it like fits perfectly in the hollows. Not bad. I feel like because it is kind of dense, I feel like it kind of picked up the foundation that I'm wearing underneath. I don't know, but I do like it. Like, it definitely does the job. I do like brushes like this to be a little bit more fluffier though, because it blends it out a little bit better, but it does the job. And then it says the small brush in the trio, which is this one, can be used to conceal imperfections or highlight underneath the eyes. Yeah, this is like good for concealer. I personally would use a brush like this to set my primer, or like just as a flat brush in general, just for eyeshadow. I think that's what this brush would be really good for. So these are the 3 brushes. Yeah, definitely, I like this one actually a lot. I thought I wouldn't like this one. It says it's for setting the entire face. I guess you could like set your face with it, but I personally liked it for blush. You can use brushes for whatever. So that is the trio. The trio is $30, it retails for $30. I feel like that's really expensive for 3 brushes, because that means it's $10 a brush, and these honestly look like the Wet n Wild brushes that are like $1. So yeah, it's kind of, this is like the latest I've ever filmed. It's 11:15 at night. But my grandma's here from Texas, and I literally haven't had time to do anything. I've just been like spending time with her until she leaves. She leaves on Monday. I'm filming this, it's Saturday night, so I won't have any other time to film this, so I'm filming it kind of late, but you know, it's all good. I'm just gonna go to sleep after this anyway. As if I go to sleep at like 12. You guys know I don't go to sleep till like 5. The next thing in this month's box is this baby right here. The packaging is so pretty. This is the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette. This retails for $40. Again, pretty up there in price. It comes like this, and I think this is supposed to be like a dupe for the Moonchild palette from Anastasia. So it has like some holographic duochrome kind of highlighters in here. But this has 6 stunning holographic shades. This highlighting palette is essential for any makeup enthusiast. Each iridescent shade is perfect for highlighting and layering to transform any look into something enchanting. Okay, so you guys know I love pink highlighters, so I'm going to use that one and see how it looks. Let's see. Okay, that one's pretty. Yeah, it's like a really subtle pink. Add some of the purple on there. I'm just going to wash this off afterwards. It's not like I'm going anywhere. Let's add a little bit of the purple on there. Oh, okay. I really like the purple. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm sure on camera it's just picking up as like a highlight. But the purple really looks pretty with the pink mixed with it. It really just gives you like this, I don't know. It's really pretty though. I like it a lot. I'm not going to do this side of my face. I'm going to do actually another product and then I'll go in with something else. I actually really want to try this like yellowy green shade. Let's put that up here. Oh, that one's pretty. It looks like it's more like a yellowy gold. Oh yeah, you can see it on camera, I feel like. Ooh, not bad. I'll put that on my inner corner. See how that looks. Let's see. Ooh, okay. I really like this shade right here. This one. It's doesn't have names, but this is such a pretty. It's like a greeny, yellowy gold, but I'm here for it. Honestly, I really like it. It's such a pretty color. Probably, let me swatch the other one. So this one over here is like a pink with like a blue iridescent. That one's pretty. And then over here we have the green on, oh, that one's pretty. That one's really pretty. Honestly, I wouldn't really wear green highlighter that much unless I'm doing like a green look, but that one's pretty. And then this one's like a blue with like a purple iridescent. Honestly, these two look pretty similar. Even though this one's like a pink, it looks really similar to it. Watch. Yeah, this one, honestly, I can't really even tell a difference. This one's a little bit more pink, but I'm sure like once they're blended out on the face, they probably look similar. And I really like it. I don't know if I would personally pay $40 for this. If I was going to spend $40 on something like this, I would probably just buy the Anastasia one, in my personal opinion. But this one actually is really nice. I thought for some reason it was going to be chalky. They're not super intense, but the colors of them are really pretty, and I really like that yellowy gold shade. It's really nice, really cool. And I mean, honestly, I have been wanting the Aurora, or not the Aurora, the Moonchild palette for so long from Anastasia, and I just never wanted to fork out the money for it. So I guess in this case it is really good because I know my ass probably won't ever buy that palette. So I'm glad we got it in this box because it is pretty much like a dupe for it. It kind of has the same shades in there. Next thing that is what I'm going to use on this side of my face. This is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil, and this retails for $28. I've never tried anything from Cover FX before, so this is what it looks like. I honestly am really confused. It's multi-use, so it says you can use it. They're cream colors that are crease-proof enough for the boldest of eye looks and formulated with a weightless finish for a shimmering effect anywhere on the face. So you can use it on your eyes or your face. I'm going to try it on my face. Let me do a swatch of it first. This is in the shade Amethyst. So that's really pretty. There is like hella glitter in it. You guys probably can't even see it on camera because it is pretty like reflective, so it's just kind of reflecting the light. But yeah, there's a lot of glitter. It seemed to dry down pretty fast, so if you don't like glittery highlights, this probably would be best for you on the eyes. I'm just going to try a little bit on my face. Like I said, I'm just going to wash this off afterwards, so let's see. Let's just... I honestly hate cream or like liquid highlighter. I can't get it to work for me, honestly. Yeah, this has a lot of glitter. So if you don't like glittery highlights, yeah, this is probably best for the eyes. So I'm kind of just blending it out like this. Yeah, I mean, honestly, it's blended out. It's not that reflective on your face. The only glow that you guys are really seeing on camera is from my blush. So, I mean, I'll put a little bit on my eyes and see how that looks. This is really hard because I have lashes on. Yeah, I definitely would use this on the eyes. This is really hard to do when you have lashes on already. Yeah, it looks really pretty on the eyes. It's just like a little something because this isn't like super pigmented or anything, but it looks pretty. This is like a good like lid topper or something. Probably wouldn't use this on my face. This is better for like the eyes. This did say you can use it on your eyes, right? Yeah, boulders of eye looks. It's cool on the eyes. Definitely like goes with the galaxy theme. I could definitely see myself using this like in certain makeup looks and stuff. Definitely doesn't go with the eye look I have on right now, but it's cool. Some more of that highlighter on this side of my face because yeah, I do not like that for highlighter, but on the eyes it's really pretty. The gold, yellow gold shade down the center of my nose. Definitely would say that the Cover FX thing is better for your eyes. It does seem to set down too, so not bad. Yeah, I personally wouldn't use this as highlighter on my face though, unless it was like I was going for like that glittery kind of look, but I don't really ever go for that kind of look, so I would probably stick to the eyes for this one. This would look really good as it's like just like really glowy skin and just throwing this like all over the lid, just like going for that kind of like glowy like ethereal look. That would be so pretty for this. Is that a look in mind? I think yes. Next product in here is from Vintage Cosmetics. This is just a smoky eye pencil. This retails for $21. It says it's a richly pigmented smoky eye pencil. Delivers intense jet black definition. Why am I stabbing myself in the neck with this? So yeah, let's see. Yeah, it seems pretty black. Glided on pretty nicely. So over the liner that I have now and see. Actually, that glides on really nicely and it is pretty black. Interesting. This is actually really nice. I'm not going to put this, oh, I'll put a little bit in my waterline. Glides in the waterline pretty nicely too. Not bad. I'm honestly kind of impressed. I mean, you can never have too many black liners. I always just like throw them everywhere. So like there'll be some in my drawer, in that drawer back there. Like I just have black liners all the time. So you can never have too many of them. $21 is kind of pricey for an eyeliner, but it is pretty black. And I do like it. It was pretty easy just to kind of do a little line, which is what I use black liners for most of the time anyways, just to cover up my lash band. So pretty impressed. Doesn't seem to transfer or anything, so that's cool. Last product in here, this is from Seraphine Botanicals. This retails for $24. It's a sugar and lemon moisturizing lip buffer. So this is like a sugar scrub, I think, for your lips. I'm not going to use this on my lips just because I have the world's most sensitive lips and my lips get swollen with everything. Especially with citruses. If you guys don't know, I am allergic to pineapple. So citruses and my lips just don't work well together. So the thought of using a lip product with lemon is, it's not what I want right now. But I will use a little bit on the back of my hand and then I'll give this to my mom because she loves anything that has to do with lips. So it smells, oh, it smells really good. So it just comes out of the little tube right here and it has a little bit of like the oiliness to it, but it does seem like a really nice lip scrub. It smells so good. I wish I could use it, but my lips are so damn sensitive to everything. It says it is a blend of soft sugar crystals with a rich, nourishing salve base that gently exfoliates and buffs the lips, leaving behind smoother skin with a touch of refreshing lemon zest. With avocado, apricot, and jojoba oil, as well as shea and cocoa butter to rejuvenate and hydrate the lips. Honestly, that sounds so good for your lips. Like, I wish I could use this, but I'm honestly too scared. My lips have been getting swollen with everything even more lately. Like, I don't know what it, I mean, I already have really sensitive lips, but lately everything has been making them swollen. So it is 92% plant-based, it's vegan, no mineral oil, no parabens, hyperallergenic, and non-comedogenic. Maybe I'll try it when I don't have anything coming up. I have a lot of things to do this week, so the last thing I need is my lips to be swollen. But once I don't have anything to do, maybe I'll try it. I'm gonna give it to my mom anyway, so I'll have it around. Yeah, so that was this month's box. Let me just add everything up to see how much this month's box was worth. So this month's box adds up to $142.98. Honestly, that's really good. For the price that you pay. Like I said, it's only $21. I really do like that you get stuff that is more expensive and things that I personally wouldn't buy, but I'm glad that I have them now. Like this palette, like I really like the colors in here. I personally wouldn't have bought it and like gone out to buy it, you know, but I'm happy it came in the box because now I got to try it out and I do really like it. So it's kind of just like one of those things. That's why I love doing, like, I love getting subscription boxes, and you only pay $21 for it, and everything is pretty much always full size. Like, it's not sample sizes or anything. So that was this month's box. I'm excited to see what's in next month's box. I feel like they keep getting better and better. So if you guys haven't subscribed to BOXYCHARM yet, I definitely recommend it. I love BOXYCHARM so much. I've been getting it for like 2.5 years now, and I love it. You get to try so many things out. I'll leave a link down below if you guys want to sign up for it. It is an affiliate link, so if you don't want to use the affiliate link, you don't have to. You can just go to boxycharm.com and sign up there. But if you do use the link, then I really appreciate it. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.